Hello, I'm Paulina and we're a Boston team. We specialize in German cabinetry and we sell kitchens, closets, vanities and appliances in Boston area. Today we're in the heart of Boston in newly renovated brick and beam loft condo. The client initially stopped by our Boston showroom and fell in love with our modern aesthetics of the cabinetry. Then was finalizing her purchase of this apartment and wanted to fully renovate the space. She worked with her designer Kseniia Bimbashi and they came up with overall layout and mood of the space. Then our team came in and started putting all of these ideas together to create this perfect kitchen for the client. Look at this stunning kitchen. This is definitely not your typical project we've done before. Featuring bold colors and new generation handless opening of the cabinetry. Let's talk about features of this kitchen. One of the unique elements is countertops and backsplash, which is made of concrete by Hill Street Concrete Designs. Let's go over features of this kitchen. I'd like to introduce you to interior designer of the space, Kseniia Bimbashi, and we want to talk together about all of the details of the project.
Thank you, Paulina. It was really a pleasure to work with BauTeam. This is a very unusual project. My client has very specific aesthetics and not every company can accommodate this aesthetics. As you can see, we have unusual element here, floating shelf. This floating shelf was very challenging structurally. It has integrated lighting, support for plants, irrigation system. You can see that the hood on top of the cooktop is integrated as well. We also collaborated with Hill Street Concrete to create beautiful backsplash and concrete countertop. Also a challenge exercise to make it as seamless as possible, and it works with BauTeam aesthetics and fantastic functionality of the kitchen. You will see all the features in this kitchens that you can imagine you might need in contemporary Boston house, and it's all sleek and modern and with no extra elements, pure functionality and beauty.
Let's go over some specifics of the layout and functionalities. Kseniia, what's the most exciting parts of this design that you think was included for this kitchen?
Tough question. There were a lot of interesting features. One funny story, when the kitchen was installed, the whole crew was trying to figure out how to open dishwasher, and it was really challenging. There were all different suggestions if we should bring the magnets or something. But Paulina, can you show us how it's open? Here it goes.
So it's knocked to open, and this is a perfect appliance where you want to have no handles continuously throughout. Really amazing feature of this space.
Another great feature is the oven. It's pretty sleek and simple, and it doesn't take a lot of space. That gave us opportunity to include all the other appliances that we wanted here. So we have a built-in fridge, some storage area behind me, dishwasher. I believe there are trash cans over here, yes. So there is a tons of storage, but you don't have the upper level cabinets, which creates more spacious feeling.
This is really remarkable space. Even though layout is pretty scaled down, we have maximum storage here. I'll show you there's a channel opening for this pharmacy, and then we have pantry unit fridge, which is only 24 inches, and as well as freezer below. So the next we have our cleaning and prepping area with the sink and then also trash unit left to it. On the right we have additional storage, and it's actually corner unit, so we maximize every inch of the space. And then we have really amazing feature that German engineering putting together. This is combination of 2 cooktops, induction cooktop and 1 gas burner.
What's really a miracle here is this hoods. We have 2 hoods because we need to stay code compliant, and since we have a larger cooking area, we require 2 different. But take a look how slim they are. You almost forget that you need them here. This shelf with the light, it serves not just for beauty but also for purpose, right? So we met the code, we passed all the inspections, and we kept our minimalistic, sleek design. Another important feature here that we actually are standing in the building that used to be a leather factory. I believe it's the building is 1898 year of construction, and you can see we have this magnificent beams here. So details and integration on this kitchen is fantastic. Everything is down to 1/4 inch or millimeters. And another feature that we wanted to bring here, we wanted to create different moods and different settings. So you can see we have different levels of lighting here. Thank you, Paulina. She is showing us that you can dim the lights and change the mood of the kitchen depending on time of day or occasion. Paulina, one thing that I wanted to ask you, when somebody sees this kitchen, it's all nice and sleek, but where are all the plates and cups, and you need this stuff in the kitchen?
It's a valid question, for sure. We have actually not having upper cabinets, we have plenty of storage around our peninsula. So there's drawers, double drawers on 2 sides, and interior cutlery drawers as well. So everything comfortably fits into this cabinetry. There's full storage underneath the cooktop, so where your pots and pans can go, and then as well as above the oven we still have also additional storage. So every inch is used in this kitchen. Kseniia, so what were the unexpected challenges during the project?
As with any construction, there are always some things that you cannot predict, and unfortunately with this kitchen we had one tiny problem. Our contractor made a mistake and drilled through our island. And we obviously were very upset, and the first thing was, let's replace the whole board. But then we came up with this creative idea, and again, German engineering, our very talented electricians and contractors, they installed these lights, and you can see when I move they go on. So these are sensor lights that will switch on during the night if you go to the kitchen to have a glass of water. Actually, clients love this feature, and they thought that this was planned all along.
This kitchen really came out beautiful. Kseniia, thank you so much for all of this work. This is wonderful.
Thank you so much, and cheers for future collaboration and successful project together.
Cheers.